Now here, okay, when I press from screen drinks, confirm, that confirm button needs to have an event that will allow me to hear, thank you for placing an order. Your food should be ready by the start of break. Okay, before we get there, home. What's the screen? Delete. I got a home screen, I got a cheesy, I got a meaty, I got an order, and I've got a drinks and a thanks. So I can delete the screen 11. Surely. If I need it later, we can always duplicate it. Okay, home button, home looks good. So with this button, our very first button that someone will press, I'll click it, I'll go to its events, and I'll say insert and show me the code. Boom. Now, why did I name all my screens like this? So that when I do my coding, I know what to say, right? It's going to make my life a lot easier. So on the event of button begin being clicked, right? Set screen all the way at the bottom. What screen am I setting, do you think? Next?
The screen order.
Wonderful. I like it. You guys are paying attention. Screen order. Let's try it. Run. Order now. So it worked. Now I can backdoor my clients, right? That's not what we want to do, but what I can do is I can say when someone's mouse hovers over it. So now they don't even have to click. Now it's already, oopsie, I didn't mean to, but okay, I'm here now. Mouse over. Let's check. Run. The moment my mouse now goes onto that screen, my mouse is over it, right? It's going to go to the next screen.
Awesome.
Okay. I tricked you into purchasing my product. Okay. Now, my cheesy button. I need my cheese. Go to its design and then say insert and show me the code. What screen do I want when I select my cheese button? Thank you very much. Exactly that. Where's my set screen? Boom. Set screen to what screen? Cheesy screen. Screen cheesy. Boom. Screen cheese. Okay. Then I'll go back to my home screen. No, man. Back to my order screen. Meaty. Go to design. Say events. Events for meaty. Actually, I'm on it. Insert and show code. Set the screen to. What screen am I going to? Good. That's what's up. Well done, guys. Okay. Screen meaty. Let's see if it works. Boom.
How is it?
Let's see why not. Because button begin is not the button I want to press. Yeah. On the event of button begin, I want to click button cheese. Reset, run, order now, cheese. There we go. Okay, wonderful. Let me go to my order screen and do my meaty button. So can you guys tell how I'm doing everything systematically, one thing at a time, one button at a time. And I'm not stressing, I'm not all over the place. Cool, calm, collected. Insert and show code for my meaty button, and I want it to take me to what screen am I going to? Yeah, I'm waiting for somebody to say, sir, screen meaty. Yeah, if it's a good habit to follow. Screen meaty, run, order. Oh, meaty, good, it works. Now, both home button, no buttons. Both no buttons take me where? Thank you screen, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because would you like something to drink? No,
yeah.
Fine. And you got your pizza. Thank you. Am I right?
I'm sure.
Yes.
Yes or no. So if you don't like that meaty, you just press no.
No, if you don't want to drink, remember they're ordering a pizza inevitably. Like that's why they came to you because they want to order a pizza. But if it's an option if they want something to drink or not. So in both meaty and cheesy, there's a no button. They say no, both those buttons must say thank you for placing an order. Your pizza will be ready by the start of break. If they say yes, then both the yes buttons will take them to the drink screen because they want to drink. Then they can choose one. Okay, quickly.
So it's like, you know how your mouse is having it, and what if someone accidentally did that? Is it okay if there's like a button saying no, I don't want to order anymore?
Yeah, you can have that. This is called the home button. You'll see how I'm going to do it now. You'll see now. Okay. Where was I? Okay. My no button is taking me to my home screen. Okay. Screen cheese. Something to drink? No. So I'm going to go to the design of this and I'm going to make sure my no buttons are done with, right? Insert and show code. It's a very easy one because in any case, if they press no, it must take them to the thank you screen. Screen, thanks. Boom. And then go to my next one that was on the screen cheesy. Now my screen meaty. No. Design. No. Insert and show the code. And take me to what screen again? No, guys, screen meaty. Screen thanks. Screen thanks. Thank you. Screen thanks. Got it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's try it. Run. Order now. Meaty. No, I don't want. Thank you for placing an order. If you'll be ready by the start of break. Wonderful. Run. Order. Cheese. No. Good. So all my no's and all my pizza selections are not done. Right? Now I go to yes. Screen meat. Screen cheese. My yes button. Design. Pay attention. Okay, insert and show code. And I want to go to what screen am I going to after pressing yes?
You have drinks.
Thank you. Screen drinks. You're right. Screen drinks. Boom. Now my next yes is going to be on my meaty screen. Screen meaty. Design. Yes. Insert and show the code. And take me to my screen drinks. Screen drinks. Let's try it. Run. Whoopsie. Oopsies. Yes. I've got one more button to code. That's my confirm button. Remember the drop down, I don't want. So if I'll show you quickly. The moment I start adding code to my drop down, okay, that becomes my event handler. Because now I'm saying there's an event. So when it changes, it's not going to let me even see the button anymore. It's going to go to a screen or it's going to want to do something. So my event handler must be my button. Make sense? Okay, great. You guys are very attentive. I love it. Okay, confirm will take me to what screen do you think?
Thank you.
Screen thanks.
There we go. Screen thanks. If you said thank you screen, you're right. Screen thanks. Let's try it. Run. Run. Order now cheese. Yes. Confirm. Wonderful. Okay. Run. Order now meaty. Yes. Confirm. Yeah. I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my drink screen and I need to code this button to take me to my thank you screen. Did I just do that? Right? I just did that. Okay. On my thank you screen, here, I want to add a text area. 2 text areas. And they must be completely transparent. You'll see why in a second. So I'm going to go to the properties of this first one, and I'm going to keep that empty and make the background go away. I'm going to keep my border just so that I know where my text should appear just now. Okay, where's it now? Where's the color? My border, background color, take it away. Okay, then I'm going to add another text area that will say and a. Give me a second, you'll see why. Background color, and make it black, text color black, and I'm going to say and a. Center it. Okay, because what's going to happen now is over here I'm going to say you've ordered a cheesy pizza and a whatever cold drink, but I don't know if they chose cheesy or meaty yet. You get where I'm coming from? Go. So on my cheesy screen, okay, my order screen, I've got a word cheese and I've got a word meaty, right? What's the idea of button cheese? Button cheese. So when I want to get the text to set it in the other box I just showed you, I'm going to get it from that button. Okay, I'm going to get the text from the box I'll show you. Upon confirm being pressed. Now this might mean that you'd have to say, even if they say no, you'll still show them the drink screen. Okay, you'll see why in a second. Because this will be my final event handler. If you look at the SPA, it says the last button the user must press is confirm order before being presented with what they ordered and the text to speech saying, thank you for placing an order. Okay, so with this confirm button, I'm going to enter its events real quick. And when they say confirm, I want to set my screen, obviously, to my thank you screen. You guys still following, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. I want to go to my screen, thank you. Well, then I also want to set text in that screen. There it is, set text. Boom. I want to set my text in text area, what was it called? Text area 11. I want to set text there and I want to get my text from. So, yes, get text. Can you see this get text button doesn't have a puzzle pieces like the rest, which means it slots into another piece. So get text slots, yes, slots into that button. Get the text from button cheesy, right? BTN cheese, there we go. So what does the text say on button cheese? It says cheese. Let's run it. Order now. Let's go. Say I went with cheese, right? Obviously. Okay. Would you like something to drink? Yes. Confirm. Cheese.
Very tiny.
Yeah. Cheese and a. As long as it's there, next year I'll show you guys how we can format the font and stuff too when we get it to actually merge formatting with our current text. Not too important right now. And a. So now what is this drop down called? Drop down 1 can only be drop down 1 because I've only got one drop down. So I'll go to my last button one more time, screen screen drinks, and I'll add another event for this button. Boom. When it is clicked, I also want, oh hold on, I don't have to do that guys, I can just set text one more time. So I want to set text twice. And I want to get this text from, no man, get the text from, where am I getting the text from? Now I'm going to really see if you guys have been paying attention. Set the text in text area, not 11, probably number 12. From what? Don't clap, it's for me. Well done, guys. Wonderful. I'm actually very impressed. Okay, get text from button meaty. Think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's see. Run, order, meaty, something to drink. Yes. Confirm. Cheese and a false. Why? Exactly that. Because I didn't choose the drink. I just went right past it. And if you remember very carefully, as soon as I edited my drop-down box, I said enter. So there's no value there. Right? Make sense? Okay, great. Now, on that same button, when I press that last button confirm, I also want what must happen. Thank you for ordering your pizza. You play sound, but play speech. In that same block. Boom. Okay? And here I want to say, thank you for placing an order with us. Your food should be ready by the start. I'm going to change it from a female to a male. You'll see why. It just sounds cooler in Italiano. Because why? Pizza is known for being made in Italy. If you see Italian, please tell me. I'm trying to find it. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, you're going to be excused in a second. Reset, run, order now, cheesy, no. My volume's going to come. Why not? I need to add that exact same block, this one. I need to duplicate it and put it next to my no, both no buttons. But I can simply copy this, Control C, and when I put that text in, it's easy to paste it. So, reset, run, order now, meaty, yes, I want something to drink, confirm.
Thank you for placing an order with US. Your food should be ready by the start of break.
Okay, very cool. And if you're really cool or smart about it, you'll ask ChatGPT, listen, I'm on App Lab creating a pizza ordering app. How do I add a screen with an ad that only shows for 5 seconds? So you can have a team ad popping up, wonderful, right? For 5 seconds, delay, but the company your app makes money, actually does. Okay, and now I would highly advise you guys, when you're done with all your blocks, you go show text, and then you just read through it, and that is JavaScript, you guys. That is what code.org to me is so much better than Scratches, because you can actually physically edit this text. So I'm going to quickly just quickly take this mouse over. I know you guys need to go and go click and show blocks. And now I don't have to mouse over this thing anymore because I've changed it via text. Yeah, guys, how to submit? You go to Google Classroom, submit work. Don't upload anything. Just 10 minutes done. Confirm the mark is done. Excuse me? Up to you. I prefer typed out. It's just a lot neater and you can make it like a border and it shows me that you can more computer literate.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. You guys may go. You may be excused. Have a great weekend. Please look after yourselves. Look after your friends. Spend time with family. Okay. Train a lot.